Hello everyone, it's nice to see you again. I'm Robert. Look, huge hailstones have damaged all the modules, rendering them inoperable. In the face of such hailstorms, we must take proactive measures. Here are some steps to consider. Tip 1. Select certified modules designed to withstand hail and extreme weather conditions. Tip 2. After a hailstorm, conduct a thorough inspection of the modules for any damage and replace them promptly. Utilize thermal imaging cameras and wire break detectors to detect hidden damage. Tip 3. If a decrease in power generation is detected, inform maintenance personnel to conduct on-site inspections and promptly replace damaged modules. Thank you for joining us, and this is the end of our Mastering Challenging Summer Weather series, but not the end of our learning journey. Follow us for more updates on practical techniques to maintain an uninterrupted and efficient operation of your power system. See you soon.